Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hide the taskbar on Windows when YouTube is full screen and the taskbar is not going away. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to first begin by navigating to our taskbar, which in most people's situation should be at the bottom of their screen, right where the clock is and everything in the start menu. This bar down here is the taskbar. You want to right click in a blank area of it and then go and left click on Task Manager from this context menu. Once you're on a screen that looks like this, now if it does look like this, you want to just expand and left click on more details down here in the bottom left. You do want to locate the Windows Explorer background process here. So underneath Windows Processes, go down to Windows Explorer. And then once you've left clicked on it, you can also search it just by left clicking on the left column here and just typing in Windows Explorer and it will come up. So either way, but you want to navigate to Windows Explorer, left click on this restart button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Windows will go blank for a second, or the screen will appear black, and then in a couple moments the taskbar should come back. Try and relaunch the video and hopefully you shouldn't have any issues anymore in relation to that. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.